What's up everybody, Alex from Extreme Customs. Behind me I got a 2018 GMC Sierra getting a BDS 6-inch lift kit. We're installing the MBRP exhaust, let's check it out. So behind me, this truck's getting a whole laundry list of accessories. One to note right away is we're doing the MBRP Catback exhaust, so you're gonna get a little bit more aggressive exhaust note. Because when you're doing an exhaust, you can't just do, you can't give it just a tip. That's one thing you can't do right off the bat. One thing to note right away with the BDS kit is you're gonna get lifted struts. Now what that does is you get the lift for the 6-inch in this section here, as opposed to putting it on top, so you don't affect your ride quality that much, which is one thing that a lot of people want to do, a lifted truck and you want it to ride smooth. BDS is able to offer that, as well as Rough Country and a lot of great other providers. But as far as that goes, you get new lift knuckles with it, you get some skid plates, you get a lot of extra pieces, because BDS really does quality with their kits. So be sure to stay tuned for the rest of the build. All right, so we're just wrapping up this GMC behind me. Well, to finish the truck off, you can't just leave it on stock rubber. So the customer decided to go with a set of 20x10, -12 fuel hostage wheels with a chrome finish, set on some 35, 12, 520 Nitto Ridge Grappler. So a nice wheel and tire combo to outfit with a 6-inch BDS lift kit. Now to note, this kit does have the replacement rear leaf springs, so you get a little bit more towing capability with the lift, something you might lose if you do blocks. So one thing to note with the BDS kit, you get lifted struts, you get the replacement rear leaf springs if you opt for it. So a quality kit all around. Now be sure to mention, if you haven't joined Lifted Truck Club already, we're seeing a lot of new members there, seeing a lot of cool trucks getting posted. Otherwise, if you haven't joined Team Extreme as well, another community there, just get you entered to win giveaways. We do these flash giveaways every couple weeks. Just letting you guys know that we appreciate the support. This is Alex from Extreme Customs, and we'll see you in some future videos.